All right, let's get into making that texture pop on your vector shape. First, start by typing out a letter or any text you want. We're going to convert it into a vector by heading to Object, then hitting Expand. Boom, now it's a vector. Next, let's give it some gradient magic. Just pick a gradient color and we'll play around with it. Open the gradient bar, click one of those color stops, and grab the eyedropper by pressing I. Hold Shift and click anywhere with the color you want. Now we've got the gradient looking slick. And we can adjust the direction to fit the vibe we're going for. Now for the texture, we're bringing in our texture image and importing it into Illustrator. Let's run an image trace on it, but we're going for that classic black and white logo style. Once traced, hit Expand to lock it in. Here's where things get interesting. Grab the Magic Wand tool and select those black areas in the texture, then delete them. All that's left are the white parts, which is exactly what we need. Now let's fine-tune the texture size with Free Transform. We're going to use Free Distort and Perspective Distort until it lines up perfectly with the shape you're texturing. Once everything's in place, stack the texture over the shape and select both. Time to bring out the Pathfinder tool. Now let's just hit minus front and we should be good to go. Wait, what? Nope, that's wrong. Let me show you why. See, doing it like this locks everything in, so you can't adjust the texture or move it around freely. Here's how to do it right. Open the Pathfinder tool, hold Alt, and then click minus front. That little trick keeps everything flexible, so you can still tweak the texture to fit perfectly. After that, it's all about refining. Adjust the texture until it fits just right. Then go ahead and select everything. Head to Object and hit Expand to lock in that final look. And there you have it. Texture added, and it's still a clean vector. Easy, right? Thank you for watching.